So here, how to fix streaming quality in Vimeo. So hey guys, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to fix your streaming quality in Vimeo. So in the Vimeo app, to change our streaming quality, all we need to do is open up our Vimeo right here. Once you open up our Vimeo, click on our profile top right corner right here, the blue thing right there. Press on that right there. After pressing on our profile right there, and next thing we need to do is go down till you see where is it? To see, here you go, data usage. Press on data usage. And once you're here at your data usage, you will see just below here is streaming quality. So streaming quality, we can stream between 1080 to um from it's ranging from 360p to 160p. But as you see right now, the recommended is 1080. If you want a very high HD, I suggest using um to 160p. But if you can um, if your phone can handle it, or maybe your internet, as you say, playback and watch Wi-Fi only, you can make it always on. As you see right now, we're and always on, so which means playback will be always on if you use data, so it will be allowed. But if you don't want your data to immediately dry out, just using Wi-Fi only for that. So there you go. You see right there. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys did. Please enjoy it. If you have any questions, concerns, you can type it in the comment section below, guys, and I'll be happy to answer as soon as possible on here. How to rock it, guys. And there you go, guys. And thank you, guys.